I'm sitting right now on Baffin Island, almost touching the Arctic Circle on Canada's most mysterious territory. Most Canadians couldn't fathom existing here, but I've chosen it as the setting to train for my first ever marathon. But I'm not just running for myself.
Okay. Ready? Go! Beep! Now we
life actually was very, very difficult years back because it was difficult to even find your daily bread. And school wasn't part of our program because even if you're unable to find food to eat, how more thinking about school?
Horizons Children's Centre is a Canadian charitable project located in the rural town of Sangoma, northern Ghana in West Africa. Established in 2000, HCC now provides support for 24 boys and 16 girls. After spending 3 incredible summers at HCC, I can safely say I wish I had grown up here.
Yay!
This organization empowers orphans and vulnerable children through education and development of leadership and life skills. These children can now reach their fullest academic potential and contribute positively to their communities.
So, my name is Yao, and I am the boy of disabled, and my dream is to establish a kindergarten for my community. So I want to say if I can do English learning program for them so that the community will benefit.
But it has been an opportunity for us to be in HCC and a great chance for us to move ahead in education. And it is through HCC that our educational life has been transforming. And now, just finished high school, getting ready to go to medical school, which is so great. And I think it is HCC that has made this possible, and the contribution of other people from all over the world. And this has been so great, and it has impacted our lives so much.
So why am I running a marathon in the Arctic again? Oh yeah, well, it's thanks to HCC that I'm even running to begin with. Yep, every summer I spent with those HCC boys, they had me up and out of bed at 6 a.m. running up and down those dusty dirt roads in the 40-degree heat to watch the sunrise and play football. And it really did change my life. I can't imagine a more inspirational and hilarious group of people that I could call my family.
Beautiful, I love it.
So we really appreciate each and every individual for your time, even leaving work, leaving school to come down here. I know you could have had a lot of other things to do, but if you have had this opportunity to give to us, what can we say but to say thank you?
Continuing my run in Nunavut is just the least I can do for HCC. Well, I only live once, so here I go. Thank you for your support.